Welcome to Carla. We're a family of 5 who left our old life behind to follow our dream. A dream of living the simple life together as a family. In 2022, we moved in with my parents to save up money for a sailboat. In August 2023, we were finally able to buy Carla, our one-off 42-foot steel-hull sailboat, and bring her home. Join us as we go through the ups and downs of sailboat restoration. Hi everyone!
Welcome back to Carla.
So, Klaus is back from work, so now it's time to get back to work, on the boat that is. Yeah.
And today I think we'll start building some stairs up to the boat.
Yeah, we got a few comments saying that it would be easier to build stairs, and we know. And safer, because Klaus and I are running up and down all the time, so now we need something that's safe and easy to use and stable and everything. So.
Yeah. So we got these second-hand steps, galvanized. They're a bit dirty, but they're cheap. That's the best. And then we got some wood, so we can build a platform and the stairs.
Yeah.
I dug out some holes and put down 4 concrete tiles that we're going to put the posts on, so that they won't rot as fast. So yeah, now it's time to start building the platform. Let's see how it goes. Well, we got these 2 posts up now, and we leveled out this piece up here. Now I think we can level out the next piece of the platform from there and do that in both sides, and then connect them at last, and then we'll have the basis for a platform up there. We're kind of figuring this out as we go along, as normal, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Well, now we have all the posts up. Now we're going to make some kind of support for it. I think we're going to tie them all together in the bottom as well, just using some small pieces, and then we're going to do some kind of cross members. And I think we're going to do the cross members so that they're going against the stairs, because the stairs are going towards the back of the boat. So I want to do the cross members towards the front of the boat. I don't know, but I think that's the best option. So yeah, let's make some cross members. we ran out of power on the GoPro, unfortunately, so I didn't get to record what we just did. But what we did was we measured out where to put these, and then we cut the ends of it so that it rests on top of the platform up there, and also so that we get a level step. The steps are already made with the incline on them, so it's quite easy to figure out where to put them. We also calculated if the length was right. Unfortunately it is. So now I think we're going to start putting on some steps in the top, and when we have them we can maybe secure these on top and then put the last steps. So yeah.
Well, now tell me, baby, what you think of me. You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee.
Well, we were very lucky to find these steps on Marketplace the other day. And as you can see, there's some concrete on them, but it doesn't matter, they're cheap. The advantage of using these steps is that they already have the incline on them, so you just have to use a level to find the incline of the beam. After we did that, we just mounted the steps with 2 or 4 coach screws. Of course, we divided the amount of steps onto the beam so we knew how far apart to place them, and then we screwed them on. But yeah, all in all, I think it's become a very good staircase. It's definitely solid, and if you want to make it more solid, we can always put a bolt through, but I don't think we have to.
Fantastic. Nice.
I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. 'Cause my train is here, and you know I gotta go.
Well, it's a new day. We finished the stairs yesterday.
Which was fantastic.
Yeah. And today the weather's a lot better.
Yeah, very hot today, humid.
Yeah, humid.
All the rain yesterday, and now the heat is on, so
Yeah.
we're getting steamed, but
Yeah.
that's okay.
But now I think it's time to make a door so that it's a lot easier to get inside as well.
Mhm.
We're going to build a frame for the door, and then we're going to build a door, and I think we're going to use the tarp on the door as well.
Yeah,
But we'll see.
we'll see.
We make it up as we go along.
Same as always. So yeah,
Yeah.
let's see.
Perfect. We wanted to make a very lightweight door. That's why we used the top instead of a piece of plywood on it. And the frame we just screwed together very basically. This is definitely not carpentry at its finest, but well, it's temporary. Hopefully we're going to take it down in a couple of years, and I think it'll manage to hold until then. The stairs inside the boat are definitely not the finest carpentry you have seen, but we needed... Hi Martha. But we needed some stairs that was narrower than the ones we had outside, so we couldn't get any finished steps. So we just made them like this. It's solid, it'll hold, and yeah, now we can get up and down. Well, we finished the stairs.
which is great. Now we can actually get in without breaking our necks on the ladder.
Yeah.
So
Made it way more accessible.
Yeah.
And it was definitely one of the big to-dos.
So now we can get on with some metal work.
Yeah. We're planning to buy a plasma cutter.
Yeah.
Or we're
in contact with someone selling us a plasma cutter to see if we can get something that can actually work in our situation.
We don't have the big power supply, and we need both the plasma cutter and the compressor. So we're working on how to do that, because we still have a lot of holes to
fix.
Cut
Yeah.
and to make new plates for.
So that's the plan for now, but an update will come about that and the metal work later on.
The next video will be a walkthrough of the whole boat. We'll talk about what we have to do.
And there.
Metal wise.
Yeah, and there's a lot, but hopefully we can get the plasma cutter and everything will be great. So we'll see. But for now,
thank you for watching.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it, and then we'll see you next time.
Yeah. And if you have any suggestions for us or any good advice, then please write it in the comment section below.
Yeah. And don't unsubscribe just because there's no videos, because it's summertime, we have the holidays, the kids are home.
Yeah.
The work is quite slow right now, but it'll pick up.
It'll pick up and new videos will come for years and years.
We haven't forgot you.
We haven't forgot about you. So
no, and we're still working on the boat.
Yeah, so see you next time.
See you next time.